their love, and the care that they have for each other. But not only that, they're not self-centered. That care and that love, where's my wife? She's around here.
We had no idea what the future held, but I think we both hoped we'd be here one day. And now, here we are, and I couldn't be any happier than I am right now. As we enter into this new chapter of our time together, I promise to be your lover, your best friend, and your biggest supporter. I promise to trust and respect you. I promise to show appreciation for all of the little things you do. I promise to listen to all of your thoughts and theories, even if they aren't always right. I promise to be honest and faithful. I promise to chase your dreams and hobbies alongside you, even if it involves Fortnite or collecting Pokemon cards. But seriously, I promise you my whole heart for my entire life, and I promise to not just say I love you, but to show you every day. Elijah, you are the love of my life, and I can't wait to be your other half.
Chelsea, when we first started dating, I was 99% positive we'd get married. I just needed the 10 extra years to make sure. Luckily, you decided to hang around. But in all seriousness, you're the kindest, sweetest, most considerate person I've ever met, and meeting you was probably the best thing that could have happened to me. I promise to be your lover, your best friend, and your workout partner. I promise I won't spend all of our money on Pokemon cards. I promise to always love you through the ups and downs of life, and as our love grows older, like Grandpa here. I figure if we could love each other half as much as Otis loves us, then we'll be just fine.
I'm so grateful that my little sister found someone who treats her with so much respect. Elijah, you're an incredibly hard worker, you're smart, and you're kind. You and Chelsea balance each other so well. It has been fun to watch you both grow up together. Thanks for taking care of Chelsea. I'm excited to watch you both step into these new roles as husband and wife. Now, one last thing. I want you both to take a minute and look around the room. All of these people are here because they love you and they care about you. We are all going to be cheering you on for the rest of your lives. When you face the challenges life is bound to throw your way, know that you are never alone. You have a whole extended family and group of people that will support you and pray with you every step of the way.